Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have a plant called a hostas, and usually these things grow really well and they can get very big and maybe overwhelm a pot like this. Now one thing you could do is to pull it out of the pot, and actually you're able to separate these things gently. You can try to, they're still a little bit hardy, and you could probably pull on them, but try not to break the roots as much. But if you are able to kind of like separate out the outer edges and then pull them apart, you actually can plant them in a new place, and they will spread out even more and create more like bunches of hostas around your garden. So if you would like to spread out hostas around your garden, you can do something like that. But don't be afraid. You can just come in and just kind of separate the outer edges of this plant. Some of them might die where you plant in the new location, but they might be able to sprout and take root in that new location and grow back next year. So it's worth a try. This plant is very hardy, and you're able to just kind of break it apart like towards the bottom part right here. So it may take taking a shovel or anything and kind of jabbing at it at the bottom of the roots to separate them. So you might lose some of them, but this is one way you can propagate hostas and spread it around your yard. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below below this video, and remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much.